Hi everybody, my name is Matt.Elliott. I'm here at Guaranty RV Centers today to show you a really cool fifth wheel. This is a product line that we just got a hold of. This is the Paradigm fifth wheel by Alliance RV. And the first thing I'll tell you is these don't look like anything we've had before. They're extremely sleek, they're very beautiful inside, quite attractive. They're also really well built. This one is the 372 rear kitchen. It's got a spectacular living space, and the kitchen in the back is massive. It's just a gorgeous rig. A couple of points I want to make out on this rig for you is that one of the things about this coach is exciting is that it's an all aluminum superstructure, and that in that aluminum superstructure there's a different kind of sidewall material. We're seeing it more and more in coaches now, but it's called Asdel. If you've ever seen an older RV that looks like the sidewalls are kind of ripply or bubbly or falling out, separating in a way, that's called delamination, and it's caused by the material that's inside the trailer getting wet and then separating. It's called an underlayment. It's really plywood. It's a veneer. We call it Luan. That's what I'm trying to remember. Anyway, this one has this stuff called Asdel, and it's an underlayment under the entire exterior sidewall material, so that fiberglass goes up to it, and it is waterproof and it's not biodegradable. And so that eliminates some of these challenges with delamination that you see on older RVs. The other thing is this has a 6-point leveling system, fully automatic, spectacular storage, and it's got a really nice suspension system and a Moride hitch, so it's going to tow beautifully behind your vehicle. It's gonna be smooth, and it's not gonna chuck and buck behind you like some fifth wheels might with less modern equipment. So let's take a look at the inside of this coach. I think you're gonna love it. So inside the Paradigm, what you're gonna see is, first of all, a really modern looking coach. It doesn't have all that dark cherry and dark mahogany colors. It's light and bright. It has a nice bleached oak, or kind of a light antique looking cabinet, light solid surface countertops, stainless steel appliances and sink. It's got a beautiful tone to the furnishings. It's really lavish in here, I think. A couple of things that are really interesting about this coach too is that it's got a much larger oven. So when you look at a typical RV, it's got a 3-burner stove with maybe a 16-inch oven. This has a deep oven with 4 burners on top, and it's got a glass front oven so you can look through there and really see what you're cooking. It's got a massive side-by-side refrigerator. This happens to be the Norcold gas electric fridge. Okay, another thing about this coach that's really awesome is it's got big windows. So a lot of times a rear kitchen coach seems kind of dark and closed off in the back. People sort of miss that big rear window, but this one has it. Over the sink, a beautiful window, lots of windows around the slide out. The dining area here makes for a really comfortable place with a big panoramic view. And as you turn around in the front living space, you see that we have sofas and love seats all around. So this makes a really, really nice social area. Facing, it has a huge television set, home theater system, and an electric fireplace. A lot of times electric fireplaces, people don't realize what a great value they are, because you don't have to burn propane and you don't have to listen to a forced air furnace blowing. It's very ambient and very pleasant, and they heat extremely well. As you move forward into the bedroom and the bathroom, we have an additional slide up there, and we have a big queen bed, have an extra air conditioner for the bedroom. It's very spacious. There's a lot of drawer space and storage up there, and it's just a really, really comfortable coach. I think it's one of the most beautiful coaches that's come out in recent times, and if you haven't seen one in person, the pictures are nice, my description's okay, but you got to see it in person for it to do it justice. So I hope you do. So that's a look at the Alliance Paradigm 372 rear kitchen, or RK. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I know you'd like to see this in person. If you have any questions about it, I'd love to hear from you. My name is Matt.Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. You have a great day.